have a 2014 VMI Toyota Sienna. Battery died after it sat for a couple weeks, and I jump started the van. However, the ramp would not deploy. Had some trouble finding information online, and what I found out was, after some investigation, the battery is behind this panel, which I've already taken the screws out. And I checked the battery. Battery tested out 12.6 volts. However, this display was off. And what I did, there is a reset. If you can see right here, you just push something. I just used the screw that was holding the panel on to reset it. And then let's see if it works now. So I've started the van up. Press that button. Door opens and the ramp deploys. The kneeling system is not activated because it's turned off. So I hope that's helpful. Thanks for watching.